Okay, here's the Rubik's Cube, all messed up. Now this kid's gonna solve it.
You're wet and it says bring your foot back.
No pressure, but we have a fire drill coming in a couple minutes. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? And there it is.
How fast?
Like a minute and a half. No, less than a minute and a half, because this video's at a minute 18.
Dang, Jared.
Jared,
So it was actually.
that is
So it
ridiculous.
was actually like a minute. Almost.
That is ridiculous. Oh my god.
Rubik's Cube stand, I always threw those things away.
Alright, here's the new Rubik's Cube. All mixed up. And we'll give it back to Trink. And we started at 10 seconds. That's how long it takes you.
I'm really messing up, bro. Like, it's not even funny.
It's not even funny, but you'll still finish in a minute. So supposedly we're supposed to have a fire drill sometime.
Yeah.
I'm kind of wish it was during 5th period, but you know. Oh well. This kid, is he gonna finish for the fire drill? It could come on any second
Why do you feel
now.
the need to mention the fire drill in every video?
Because the fire drill is a very exciting part of this day. Folks, this is extremely ridiculous. So it would take me like a couple days to finish one of these. And this
You're
kid
stupid.
did it in a minute 19. A minute 19 seconds.
Is
Wait,
that
no.
minus the 10?
Yeah. Minus the 10. A minute 19 seconds.
You try to get
Wow.
This
This
one just like.
is absolutely what we do in class.